Does your car feel a bit sluggish, like it is hesitating when you press the gas? Or maybe you are noticing you are visiting the gas station way more often than usual? If you scan your car and get the code P013D, you are dealing with a slow response from your oxygen sensor. Specifically, this is for Bank 2, Sensor 2. Let's decode that location first. Bank 2 is the side of the engine that does not have cylinder number 1, and Sensor 2 means it is the sensor located after or downstream of the catalytic converter. This sensor's job is to act like a nose for the computer, sniffing the exhaust to see how much oxygen is left after combustion. It is supposed to switch its signal voltage rapidly between lean, which means too much air, and rich, which means too much fuel. It is a constant game of ping pong. When this code sets, it means that sensor has become lazy. It is reacting too slowly when the mixture shifts from lean to rich. The computer hates this because it cannot make split-second decisions for fuel economy. Before you run out and buy a new sensor, you need to be smart about this. A very common cause for this code is actually an exhaust leak. If air is getting into the pipe near the sensor, it throws off the reading, so listen for any ticking sounds underneath the car. Also, check the wiring harness. Since this sensor is under the car, the wires can get burned by the exhaust pipe or cut by road debris. If the wiring looks good and there are no leaks, then yes, the sensor itself is likely tired. These sensors use a zirconium element that wears out over time. Swapping it out is usually straightforward, but make sure you diagnose those leaks first, or the new sensor will give you the exact same error.